Now, let's say the city is going to pave an unpaved street, and your property has 100 feet that face that street. The paving cost will be for $30 a linear foot, and the city, out of the kindness of their heart, will pay for 25% of the cost. What will be the special assessment for this property? And it's typical that it will be a street more often than anything else when you do your test at the state, because there's a hidden step. Now, the first thing you do is look at how much footage your property has against the street. I said 100, so we just take that 100 and then we multiply it by how much it cost per foot for the road, which is $30. So that's $3,000 for the property's length of the road. Now, if the city is going to cover 25%, that means the owner's going to have to cover 75%. So you can multiply the 3,000 by 0.75 to get $2,250. Most students want to stop here, and they get the question wrong, because you always have to account for there being another property owner on the other half of the street. So once you get down to the owner cost, you have to divide it by 2 or multiply by 0.5, whichever method you prefer, and get half of that for $1,125 as that owner's half.